This time is for you to let go, to release, and to return to the radiant light of who you truly are. You are about to begin a powerful, energetic reset, a deep cleansing of your aura, the field of light that surrounds and protects you. Let's begin. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale gently. Allow your shoulders to drop, your jaw to soften, your entire body to begin releasing tension. There is nowhere else to be, nothing else to do. This is your sacred time. As you breathe, begin to notice your body. Feel your spine. Feel the earth beneath you. Steady, strong, grounded. With each inhale, draw in light. With each exhale, release all that no longer serves you. Breathe in peace and exhale worry. Breathe in clarity and exhale confusion. With every breath, you become lighter, more present, more you. Now, bring your awareness to the space around your body, about an arm's length all around you. This is your aura. This field holds energy, emotions, memories. Some are yours, some are not. It's time to clear it. Above your head, imagine a beautiful ball of golden light. This light is pure divine energy, calm, loving, healing. It begins to descend slowly, touching the top of your head and gently washing over your entire body. As it moves, it clears away anything heavy, stagnant, negative. Let it flow down your forehead, your face, neck, shoulders, washing through your arms, chest, heart center. Let this golden light melt tension, dissolve fear, and sweep away all energy that does not belong to you. down through your back, your stomach, hips, legs, and finally through your feet, releasing everything into the earth. Feel the energy drain away safely, gently, completely. Now visualize your aura as a glowing sphere around your body. See it clearly. Sense its colors, its texture, its movement. If there are dark spots, cloudiness, or holes, this is okay. With love, we heal them now. Call in a stream of violet light, powerful yet peaceful. This is the light of transformation. See it swirling gently around your aura, lifting away sadness, fear, pain, and any attachments not meant for you. Now repeat this silently in your mind. I cleanse my aura with love and light. I release all that no longer serves me. My energy is my own. Take a deep breath and exhale fully. Now invite in emerald green light, the energy of healing and renewal. Let it flow through your heart, repairing any cracks or tears in your energy field. Say gently to yourself, I forgive myself. I forgive others. I choose peace. Now your aura begins to glow brighter, clearer, stronger. Now all in white light, pure source energy. It floods your aura top to bottom, sealing your field in divine protection. You are safe. You are guided. You are whole. Place your hand on your heart. Feel the warmth of your own touch. Now repeat after me. I am clear. I am radiant. I am protected. I am aligned with my highest self. I welcome only love, joy, and peace into my field. I walk forward in clarity and power. Take a final deep breath in and gently return to your body. Feel your feet, wiggle your fingers. Come back to this moment, refreshed and renewed. Your aura is cleansed. Your light has returned. Thank you for joining this journey. If this practice helped you, like this video, subscribe to Quiet Nova, and comment below. I am glowing from within. You are radiant. You are free.